Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine, so your families. Today we will format the table in the Excel program. To deal with the Excel program, to know how to deal with the Excel program, how to use it, we must know the feature of this program. So let's start. We have a sample example for the Excel program. This example is not correct, and we want to correct everything inside this table. So we have know how to format the table, how to change the font color, the font type, the font size, how to bold it, how to use the merge cell, how to use the function, the sum function, how to use everything inside this program. So let's start how to use the Excel program from the beginning. To open the Excel program, we must go to Start menu. So press on Start menu and get down by the scroller bar. If you have Windows 10, if you have Windows 7, you press Start menu, All Program. Okay, after All Program, you go to inside the Microsoft Office, then choose the Excel program. And this is the Excel program interface. What is the meaning of interface? The first appearance that the program will open on it. Okay, the first screen will display inside you. Okay, so this is the Excel program. To deal with the Excel program, you must divide the feature of the Excel program. Okay, so we divided the Excel program for 3 parts. This is the upper part, and this is the middle part, and this is the lower part. Again, this is the upper part, and this is contain all the options, all the tabs, all the menus that you want to use it. Okay, the middle part, this is your sheet, and the sheet contain of columns. This is called column, and rows, and this is called rows. The intersection between column and rows, it's called cell. Again, to know how to deal with the worksheet Excel inside the Excel program, you must know the feature. How this sheet contain. This is contained from 3 parts. Number 1, the column, and the column label, it's written by letter. And the rows, it's written by number. And the intersection between column and rows, it's called cell, and this is cell. How to read this cell? You must know the column name and the row number. So this is D8. Okay, if I stopped here, yes, that's right. This is called F5. And if I stopped here, yes, this is called B2. Let's start with the upper part. The upper part contain of 3 bars. Okay, the first bar is called the title bar. Why we called it the title bar? Because it's display the address. It's give me the name of the project or the name of the sheet. Okay, so this is called the title bar, and the title bar contain the main 3 icons: close, minimize, maximize, and restore. Again, close, restore button, and minimize and maximize. Okay, so this worksheet is not saved because that, or by default, the program gave me book 1 like a name. Okay, by default the computer gave me book 1, and each book in the Excel has 3 sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3, and this is called the sheet bar. Okay, the second one, and this is called the quick access area, or this is quick access bar. It's contain of 3 icons: undo, 2 of these 3 icons in undo, and the save icon. Okay, let's go to the second bar, and this is called file menu, and all this bar called the tab bar. Again, this is called the tab bar, and the tab bar contain many tabs or many buttons. Each button or each tab has different option. Okay, so let's start with file. If we open the file menu, we see save as, and we have different between save and save as. The difference between save and save as, that save as we use it for the first time. Why? Because it's give me the location to save my work. Okay, open. If you use save for the first time, it's automatically saved on the Excel program. So if you wanted to open it, we go to open tab from the file menu. Okay, close. This is for closing the worksheet. New, this is for inserting a new sheet. Print, this is for printing. Save and send, if you want to save it and send it to another location. And the option, this is have many options to the Excel, and the exit for closing the Excel. Okay, so let's see different menu like home. Home contain many of parts or contain many options. Okay, like clipboard part, font part, align part, number, styles, cells, editing. Okay, so we have many options in home tab. Let's go to insert. The insert, it's like entering. Okay, so we can entering or inserting tables, illustration, charts, header and footer, text, samples, anyone you want to inserting. Page layout, and this is for the orientation or for the page setup. Okay, after that we have the formula bar, and the formula bar, this is like a mirror for the cell. If I type any letters inside the cell, it's reflection inside the formula bar. and this is the name box. It gives me the name of the cell I stop on it or I use it. Okay, this is the column bar, and this is by letter. This a column row bar, and this is by number. This is the sheet bar, and by default the computer gives me a book, and each book has 3 sheets. If I want to change this name of this sheet, I stop on the sheet, right click, and rename, and you can type any name you want. So this is this sheet 1 called Heba. Again, if you want to rename the sheet, I stop on the name of the sheet, so right click and use rename, type any name you want, say for example Hala, and this is the name of your sheet. Okay, if I want to delete any sheet of those sheets, you can stop on the sheet, right click and delete. So this workbook contains 2 sheets only. Okay, this is scroller bar, and this is for the navigation or moving left and right. We have another scroller bar for moving up and down. This is the zoom area, and this is the status bar. And the status bar contain 2 different sides. On the right side we have the date and time, okay, and in the left side you see the stored menu. Hope you enjoy, and want you to open the Excel program, try to use any feature of these features, and let's meeting in the other video. So hope you are fine and you enjoy it. Bye bye.